I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading. This week I'll be doing technical analysis for January 9 to 14, 2021 on the Gbp Usd, Gbp Jpy, Eur Usd, US dollar Canadian, Bitcoin, Gold, and Ethereum. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, remember to like, subscribe, press the notification button to get notified when I post new content, and that will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm and reach more person. So before I get into this technical analysis, I normally have some trading rules that I normally go through. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance in any one trade. Use at least 1 to 3 risks to reward ratio when taking a trade. Eliminate if you are loading. Loading is not must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least a 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depends on the trader, not the trading system. It takes military style discipline to be a successful trader. Alright, so let's head over to trading view. Alright, so before we start, just a reminder, no technical analysis is 100% accurate, so trade at your own risk. Hope my last video, you find my last video helpful, and I hope you made money if you decide to trade my technical analysis. Alright, so I'm on the US dollar Canadian and I'm on the daily time frame. Right now the US dollar Canadian pull back into this area right here at 1.29131 and pushing down into this area right here at 1.26437 to 1.26073, trying to break through. So right now, if you're a pattern trader, we have a head and shoulder pattern forming out on the daily time frame. Alright, so for this week analysis, I have the US CAD to break through this area, push further down into this area. However, if the US CAD fail to break through this area, it will pull back into this area right here for support at 1.26977 to 1.28189. Let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, if you're an intraday trader, you should look to this area right here for a pullback. If the US CAD failed to break through this area, so right here is a good area for a pullback and for the US CAD to gain momentum to push further down if it failed to break through on this attempt. So this area right here, at 1.27087 to 1.27376, you can look for a pullback into this area if the US CAD failed to break through. However, if this area failed to support the US CAD, it will pull back into this area right here at 1.28142 to 1.27811. So that's it for the US CAD. Let's move over to our gold. So on the daily time frame, the gold is in a slight bullish trend, trying to break out of this bear trend right here. So at the moment, the gold came into this area for a test, bouncing off this area and is pushing back into this area. So the gold is expected to push into this area 1807.26 to 1831.95 and try to break through. However, if the gold fails to break through this area, it will pull back into this area once more, 1.781, 572, 1.7532, 0.42. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, the goal is creating a zone right here and trying to break further above this zone into this area. Now it's always as advisable to trade in the direction of the market. So this area right here should offer resistance to the goal, and the goal is expected to pull back into this area right here. If it break above this area at 1793.782, 1782.80. However, if the gold fail to break above this area, it will push further down into this area right here. At 1773.32 to 1753.91. That's it for the gold. Let's move over to our GBP USD. Let's move over to our daily time frame. Now the GBP USD is in a bullish momentum, trying to break out of this long existing bear trend. So the GBP USD is targeting this area right here at 1.354242, 1.36206. So if the GBP USD break through this area right here, it will push further up at this swing level right here, 1.36987, where it will gain some resistance and pull back into this area right here at 1.35602 to 1.34908. Now if this area fail to resist the GBP USD, it will push further up into this area at 1.373242, 1.38401. Let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now the GBP USD, if it failed to break through this area, it is expected to pull back into this area right here at 1.35565 to 1.34908. It is expected to trade in the direction of the market. Remember to trade at your own risk. Use the unknown to find the known. Laws of algebra. So what is known is that this area right here, the market turn at this area, and the market turn at this area. So this area right here is regarded as a swing level, and this area is regarded as a swing level. So either the GBP USD is going to break above this area or pull back into this area. The market, once you identify the swing level, then the market will show you which direction it is expected to go. That's it for the GBP USD. Now move over to the Bitcoin. Now the Bitcoin is in a bear trend and break through a long existing resistance level and push further down. So the Bitcoin is expected to break through this level and push further down into this area. Now if the Bitcoin fail to break through this level at 42,809.132, 39.48, 39.48, 3.97. It will pull back into this area at 45,434.462, 48,713.93. Now it is advisory to trade in the direction of the market, so it is wise to wait for a pullback into this area. Now if you're a swing trader, you can look for a buy trade into this area right here. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin created a swing level, a small swing level right here. Now the Bitcoin came back into this small swing level and made 2 tests and got rejected. So this is a signal that the Bitcoin is trying to push further down through this level right here. Now if the Bitcoin failed to break through this level right here, it will push further up, breaking back through this level right here at 4250.352, 43644.5 and push further up, making another retest into this area right here at 45504.652, 47182.40. That's it for the Bitcoin. Now let's move over to the Euro USD. Now the Euro USD is in a range between 1.21, 1.12187 1.3842. Now the Eur USD is expected to push further up, breaking out of the range into this area right here at 1.4353452, 1.4757. Now this area right here, the Eur USD created a zone into this area right here and break above the zone, indicating that it is trying to push further up out the zone, out the range. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now it is always expected to use the known in order to find the unknown. This area right here is regarded as a swing level, which is a known. This area right here is also regarded as a swing level, which is also a known. Now the Eur USD can break through this level right here and push further up. Now if the Eur USD fail to break through this level at 1.13842, it will pull back into this area right here. Now if you are going to trade my technical analysis, Please ensure to trade at your own risk and wait for confirmation. Now I have a master course available for sale on trend trading and entry triggers and confirmation. Please send me an email if you want to purchase my master course. That's it for the Euro USD. Let's move over to the GBP Jpy. Now the GBP Jpy is trying to break out of this level right here. So the GBP Jpy is created a double top. Now if the GBP Jpy fail to break through this level right here at 1.58.266, it will pull back into this area right here. So the GBP Jpy already pulled back into this area for support and got rejected. So this is an indication that the GBP Jpy is trying to push further up. Now if this area fails to support the GBP Jpy, it will push further down back into this area right here at 1.54262. Let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, we have a head and shoulder pattern created, which is a signal of a reversal. Now if the GBP Jpy fail to break above this area right here, it will pull back into this area for support. Now that's it for the GBP Jpy. Let's move over to our Ethereum. Now the Ethereum made a big downward push breaking through this area right here. Now the Ethereum is targeting this area right here at 3173.15 to 2644.36. Now if this Ethereum fail to break through this area right here, it will pull back into this area, which is a swing level at 3584.85 to 3909.07.67. Remember, it is always wise to use the known to find the unknown. This area right here is a known. This area right here is a known. So when the Ethereum come into this area, it will show you exactly which direction it is planning to go. Just look for your confirmation and entry triggers. Remember, I have a master course on confirmation and entry triggers and trend trading. So if you are interested, send me an email where you can purchase my master course. Let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now the Ethereum created a swing level at this area right here, 3391.90 to 3461.43. Now if the Ethereum fail to break through this area right here, it will pull back into this area for support. Now if you're an intraday trader, you can look for a sell trade into this area right here. Always remember to trade at your own risk and look for confirmation. That's it for the Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe and press the notification. That will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm and reach more people. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my technical analysis. Hope this helped. See you next week.